Learn English to Mauritian Creole language in the context of true love story between Abishek and Trisha. We took our lunch in the restaurant itself. There is a small corner where, after eating, couples can sit and chat. Noun prend déjeuner. Dans sa restaurant même, il a un petit coin. Côte après manger, bane, kapav, assizé, kozé. We went to that small corner. We sat near to each other. Abishek was just admiring me, and here I was feeling very shy. Everything was new to me. Noun all dans sa petit coin là. Noun assise près côte sakéne. Abishek tipit 6 admire-moi. Et ici motivé gagne honté. Tout zafer nouvelle pour moi. We talked to each other casually. He held my hands in his. My fingers were wrapped in his big hand. I felt butterfly in my heart. It was then I said to him, I have a surprise for you. Noun cause et sakéne casuellement. Lin trappe la main dans poli. Mo les doigts enveloppés dans ce grand lame. Ti les la même mon diali. Mo ena en surprise pour toi. Please share, like and subscribe if you want to know more of our beautiful love story. Thank you.